Audio Jungle.
The StarLogixs SpaceBin is an affordable waste solution for any commercial application. Designed and assembled in Australia, this unit can compact and reduce waste by up to 50% to minimise the costs associated with waste collection. The SpaceBin is easy to use with a simple design and a fast 1-minute cycle time. It's safe, fully guarded with dual-monitored safety switches to stop the bin being accessed while in cycle, and emergency stop buttons fitted on both sides. It's a clean system with no hydraulic equipment for simplified servicing and minimal contamination around food and stock. A rechargeable battery for backup means this electric system will always be ready and waiting. With lockable wheels, this lightweight unit can be moved to multiple locations in your business. So rather than carry large loads to the bin, you can bring the SpaceBin to the waste to save labour time and reduce handling risks. The StarLogixs SpaceBin is an affordable waste solution for places like shopping centres, motels, fast food outlets, food courts and apartment blocks. Available in 660 and 1,100 litre models, the SpaceBin's waste compaction of up to 50% means up to half as many waste collections. Money saved every time you create waste. Find out more at starlogixs.com.au.